Snakes, sawgrass, and gators, oh my. We risked our lives and went on a photo safari in the Florida Everglades to get some examples of landscape photography. When it comes to improving your landscape photography shots, the most important thing is actually going out and taking photos. Take a ton of photos. And while a good camera helps, I think your lens can be even more important. Your lens will be a deciding factor in your compositions. Three of my favorite lenses for landscape photography are the Tamron 15-30, 24-70, and the Tamron 70-200 millimeter lenses. These three lenses can achieve some stunningly beautiful photos, and each has their own advantage. With the support of Tamron, we took these lenses out for a spin along with the Canon EOS R in the Everglades, and I can't wait to show you the results. But before I get into it, come visit us at the Digital Goja showroom when you're in Miami. And remember, we publish new content weekly, so make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon to get notified about the latest videos. Okay, so maybe we didn't actually see any gators or snakes, but sawgrass was an ever-present danger. If you didn't know, the Florida Everglades is one of our national parks. It's about 8,000 acres, known as the River of Grass, and in spite of the risky elements, we were able to get some great shots. Tamron has earned a reputation for quality and affordable lenses. The G2 series keeps that going. With its E-band coating, these lenses resist ghosting and flare, making these lenses ideal for backlight photography. Tamron's vibration compensation is in full force, making sure your photos stay crisp, even if you're shaky with excitement, as it offers the highest vibration compensation in its class. They're an excellent choice for outdoor photography because of their fluorine coating, the moisture-resistant construction, and they perform well even in the harsh Everglades environment and 80% humidity. You get a buttery smooth bokeh effect with all three lenses being f2.8, have your subject nice and crisp in the foreground while the background is seamlessly blurred. All three Tamron lenses are fast and sharp, and it lets in a lot of light, making it easier to shoot inside or in dark conditions. Some of the most popular lenses for landscape photographers are wide-angle lenses, and with the Tamron 15-30 you can get some ultra-wide-angle shots with dramatically stretched corners that give wide-open fields an exciting look. A great thing about the Tamron 15-30 is how little skew there is. It's extremely minimal, so you won't have to worry about distortion around the edges of the photos. One limitation to this lens is that you can't attach any filters on the front because of the large glass elements, but with the Canon EOS R, there is an option for getting the drop-in filter mount adapter, which allows you to use filters behind the lens. If you're big on filters, please let me know your thoughts below on having to use an adapter for filters. All in all, this lens is impressive. The Tamron 24-70mm lens allows you to get the best of two worlds. You get some wide-angle shots while also getting some great portraits. It's real convenient to be able to go between that wide angle and zoom so you're prepared for whatever scenarios present themselves when you're shooting. You know how frustrating it is when you see the perfect shot, but you have the wrong lens attached? Here you get the best of both worlds with the 24-70, and it makes for a fast all-around lens to have while you're out in the field. With the Tamron 70-200mm lens, you'll get to focus in on interesting elements of the landscape, such as flowers or plants. And with the vibration compensation of these Tamron lenses, you can handhold it as you shoot, even with it being a larger lens. It's extremely versatile, being a tele-macro zoom lens, as you can get some great shots from far away, or get up close and use the macro capabilities to get fine details that catch your eye. You'll also get really great compression with this lens. By shooting things up close to the 70-200mm lens, it allows you to have some blur in the foreground while also having a blur in the background in order to really highlight attention to the element that's in focus. So for landscape photography, I give this Tamron lineup 2 thumbs up, and having these 3 lenses really covers you for just about any shot. If you like this video, remember, hit the thumbs up button below, subscribe to our channel, and tap the bell icon. And if you're in Miami, come visit us at the Digital Goja showroom. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.